What's going on, YouTube? You're here because you're wanting to make some money online. You're tired of working your 9 to 5. You're ready to give it all up and make money from your laptop or your home or your desktop, like your boy Rob right here. Okay, I'm gonna get into something good. I'm gonna give you guys a great opportunity, especially if you're tired of being scammed or you're buying all these digital marketing products and you guys none of them working because hardly none of them does work. And trust me, I'm proof because I buy a lot of them. But anyways, guys, I want to introduce you to my marketing community. If you come and join my marketing community, it's free. The link is in the description. It's totally free to join. I drop a lot of hot methods on how to make money online, methods that work. You can actually come and share your business opportunities as long as they're good and they're not scammy. Um, I'll allow them to be inside the group. I'm going to take you over to the group right now so I can show you exactly what I am talking about. And that is marketer.net/MC, guys. That's the link you're going to go to. You can click the link in the description. Join the group. It's free. There's a ton of methods and tools and tips, software, everything I share inside the community. Okay, guys? Once you make it over to marketer community, um, you can actually go ahead and listen to my little lady over here. She will explain everything and what the community is about. And then you can simply just either click the join free now button or click join us now, it's free, or hit the register button over here. And you're going to be able to join for free, guys. This right here is real earners from inside of my marketing group that I have on the inside of the community. Now, the community is free to join. The marketing group, you're going to have to pay a little bit to become an affiliate with my company, but it's well worth it. You don't have to do it. There's a lot of free methods and tools and tips on inside the community that you can get started with earning money online today, okay, without having to go through the hassles of what doesn't work, what isn't working. We share a lot of good stuff inside the community. Okay, guys, on the inside the community, you're going to get access to any and everything that's on the inside of the community. I share a lot of good methods from other people that I actually find on the inside of the community. I share a lot of tips and tools. Like I buy a lot of internet marketing products, software, plugins, anything like that that I actually buy the rights and stuff to. I share inside this community. Any type of methods, guys, that are working. I have a ton of great stuff, so I advise you to come join this community. It is free, and you're gonna be blown away by what you actually find on the inside. And like I said, you can come and share your methods, your business opportunities, your websites, everything, your links on the inside of here. As long as you got a pretty good, legit method, we'll rock with it over here inside the marketer community. Okay, guys? A lot of great tools, bonuses, PDF files, everything. So please come check it out. Marketer community, and that's marketer with a U, not an E at the end, marketer.net/MC. Come join the community. You can message other users over here. As you can see, we had a user right here that posted this 2 weeks ago, joined marketer group a week ago and seeing some great results. Okay, that's my group on the inside of marketer community. You don't have to join my group, uh, but I advise you get a whole lot more uh, tools, methods, tips. You unlock the office page, you become an affiliate with marketer.net. It's great. And as you can see, these leaderboards right here are up to date with users and their earnings. We pay out through with PayPal right now. That's the only way, but we're trying to add like 6 to 7 more payout methods. So if you do decide to join, stay on the lookout for that. But you do need a PayPal account right now in order to receive payouts. But I highly recommend upgrading your account once you get over inside the community. You don't have to enjoy the community, enjoy chatting with other entrepreneurs, sharing your business, your links, etc., like that. So I would like to see you over here. Hit me up. This is me right here, actually in the group. So if you guys want to message me, you can message me inside the group, and please take the opportunity to join actually my group. I keep saying group, but you guys will actually be joining the community for free. Okay, so inside the community, you guys will learn how to make money online, a whole bunch of good methods, tips, tricks, etc. And then inside the group, you become an affiliate with my company, which on the front end of marketer.net is a digital marketing agency. I provide digital marketing services for small local businesses. And I'm on the inside of my marketing group. I actually show you how to get clients with ease by email marketing, sending text messages, stuff like that. And you actually get these clients on monthly reoccurring subscriptions to marketer.net and my digital marketing services, and you guys earn a huge commission on a monthly basis. So as you can see, these guys are earning huge commissions right now, $39,000, $23,000, $12,000. Okay, so please come check out the community. It's free, and then I advise you upgrading and joining my marketer group on the inside because you get you get access to the learning center. Okay, where there's so much stuff over there, and I teach you how to do all this and actually recruit other affiliates too. So come check me out. Peace.